Today is another day. I have been a tough day lately. I've been experiencing difficulties in life again. Today's video is different as you notice I'm speaking English. To my fellow Filipino citizen who supported me in my life journey, I would like to apologize for talking English. I'm proud to be a Filipino and I'm proud my Filipino language. But please understand the reason why I'm talking English is to let my international supporters could understand me too. They've been requesting for me to speak in English, so to make it fair, I'm using English, even my grammar is not that good. From the past video that I uploaded about our life story of Eric, I received a lot of comment, negative and positive comments. Before sharing my life with the public, I was so happy to receive a good comment and feedback to people, and that's the number one reason that motivate me to continue vlogging. I gain much experience from different people who are sharing their comments and life experience through the comment section. As I continued sharing my life with the public, I didn't realize that it could affect my mental being and my relationship. From that video that I uploaded, I got so many bashers. I just let them say what they want to say. I am very open to what people say about my relationship, and I accepted that it is now my life. I need to be brave. I thought I could handle the negativity, but I was mistaken. Some people are very harsh to say, and honestly, it affects me. Staying in my house and making myself busy by doing my product helped me not to think the negativity, but most of the time, it hit me too. So I decided to take a break from social media and take a long ride and go to the place where no one could contact me or disturb me. I felt like I wanted to be alone. While I'm driving alone and went to the mountain and watched these beautiful sunsets give me relief. The road was okay, but it's going down and uphill. This is my first time running away from home and to be in this place with no one could ever bother me. When I arrive, I set up my tent and my other stuff. This is the very first time I'm doing a solo camping trip with my minivan.
Hello everyone! Hello mga auntie, mga uncle. Good evening. I'm here now in the mountain which is far from my home with no internet, no connection. And as you can see, the light over there is just only solar. So it's a solar sensor. So if may mga tao na duman, if there's a person coming, uh, the light will be turned on. But as you can see me right now, I'm so dark, and I set up as you can see, the lights back on now, and I set my tent over here. So I will going to stay here tonight, and I'm doing this because I want to, gusto kong makapag-relax muna with no internet, with no social media, uh, with no anything on related on social media on through the internet, kasi gusto kong makapagpahinga yung utak ko, kasi ang dami kong nare-receive sa mga comment tungkol sa past video ko na in-upload, and I think I need a break to be far away from social media and my family, and I just want to be alone in this area. So I check here, it's safe, so we're going to stay a night here. But you don't need to be worried, guys, because the house of my cousin is just near here. But I decided to sleep on the tent because it's what I used to when I was traveling. So I'm so sorry guys kung nag-i-English man po ako, kasi I just want to make it fair po sa iba kong mga subscriber para maka-understand sila, maka-intindi sila sa aking sinasabi. So that's it for now guys. I will change my cloth and we'll get ready for bed later, and we'll have a movie marathon. So let's see what happened to me tonight, because this is my first time na mag-overnight sa lugar na ito, which is walang kabahay-bahay. Nakikita nyo sa aking paligid na walang ilaw there's no light at my back, so it means there's no house. So only the solar light are here. So that's why I prefer to stay here, because there's a solar light, so much better compared in the other area here with no light. See? No light. I am turning now. I'm turning around, and that's the solar light. Ayan po yung solar light mga inday. Yan. Yan. So, as you can see, there's one light over there at my back, but that is very far house. See? So, don't be worried, but be with me guys, and let's see what will be the experience for tonight's place here in the mountain. Hello po mga inday, magandang gabi, magandang araw, magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, kung saan man kayo ngayon nanonood sa akin mga inday. So andito po ako sa bukid na walang internet, walang social media, walang connection, walang signal, no family contact. Nakapag-desisyonan ko po na pumunta muna dito para makapag-relax. Kasi sa dami-dami pong nangyayari sa bahay at sa dami ko pong iniisip, so gusto ko munang makawala doon sa bahay mga inday. Kasi kapag nasa internet kasi marami akong nare-receive na mga negative, so gusto ko munang mapag-isa, wala akong kasama, kahit kapatid ko wala, ako lang dito mga inday. So naalala nyo ba yung una kong video na nag-travel ako, na nagstay din ako sa tabing dagat at nag-tent din na mag-isa at umulan. So I received a lot of negative comments sa video na yon, kasi daw I risk my life, pero sinisigurado ko naman po na safety ang lugar na yon, at same din na itong lugar na pinupuntahan ko ngayon mga inday, or where I stay right now this evening. And you can see my tent ako dito. So walang katao-tao dito sa paligid, and sinisigurado ko naman po na safe, pero at the same time I want to challenge myself, kasi gusto ko itong ganitong mga ambience na like camping style ba. So itong style na ito mga inday is camping style siya na cheap camping style, kasi may lanais lang ako. Syempre may kutsilyo, panangga, kung saan man ako pumupunta mga inday, may dala talaga akong kutsilyo, kasi napaka-importante ito. Tapos to make fire, lighter or posporo, and itong upuan, kahit saan ako magpunta, kung dala ko yung sasakyan ko, is palaging andito lang po yung sasakyan ko, para pag gusto kong mamingwit, gusto kong mag-chill, andan lang sa sasakyan mga inday. So tonight, it's already 10 o'clock in the evening here. So nakagandahan dito mga inday is napaka-quiet. Sobrang quiet yung lugar. Wala kang maririnig na aso or kahit anong maririnig mo aside from cricket. So naririnig nyo naman po sa paligid ko na may mga cricket. So yan lang po yung naririnig ko mga inday. Po yung kalayo natin, yung maliit ko na table, yung upuan tsaka yung tent. At dito po yung isang sako na kahoy, pang gamit ko po, kasi plano ko po na 2 araw at saka 2 gabi ako magsistay dito. So may kahoy po doon. Ayan, so nakikita nyo dyan, oh. bukid na yan mga inday. Wala na kayong makikita. So yung ano po yan, hindi po yan bahay. Sobrang dilim po. Aside from the solar light at saka sa buwan. Yung solar light at saka buwan mga inday, magkarugtong. Yan, papakita ko kayo sa paligid. Ayan ang paligid ko. This is my surroundings. And that one, that's not a house. It's only a little one that they can put the goat before. And just only hear the cricket. You can't hear anything. My car. May grasshopper na. I have no grasshopper. I have a visitor in my tent. Ooh, he flies. Beautiful. Oh, my tent basa. Malamig na kasi dito mga inday. Basa yung tent. And this is my bed inside. Basa na ang tent. Samahan niyo ako sa gabing ito. Sa nakakaibang gabi na ito mga Samahan niyo ako sa gabing ito mga inday, kakaibang adventure na naman dito sa bukid na mag-isa lang po tayo. So malayo po yung mga bahay dito, tayo lang po dito mga inday. So ewan ko kung ano nakain ko, pero ito yung napiling lugar na gusto kong puntahan at gusto kong ma-experience. Noon sa dagat, ngayon sa bukid na naman mga inday. So alas 11 na po and hindi pa rin ako makatulog kasi nag-o-observe ako sa paligid. So i-close ko lang yung tent ko mga inday. Ito lang yung nagsisilbing ilaw ko sa gabi. Ayan. So sa camping ko pong ito mga inday is prepared po ako. Kasi alam ko sa bukid is malamig. So I bought bonnet mga inday. So hindi pa naman ako nilalamig. Tapos may jacket din ako. Itong jacket na ito mga inday is makapal. So far hindi pa naman ako nilalamig. At may medyas din ako. I'll just watch movie na lang para antay tayo. Patayin ko yung ilaw. May narinig ako sa labas. Narinig niyo mga inday. Hindi naman po ako natatakot. Gusto ko lang talagang marinig o mag-observe. Itong petroleum jelly para sa gamot ng aking paa mga inday. Kasi yung mga cracking of my skin is andyan pa rin. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning mga inday. Alas 5 na po ng umaga dito. Narinig ko po yung mga manok sa mga bahay-bahayan dito kahit na malayo yung mga bahay. Pumasok yung tubig dito, yung yamog ba, yung fog, pumasok dito sa tent. At basa yung loob. Pero hindi basa yung foam ko, yung bedsheet ko. Ito lang mga inday basa. Basa mga inday, nakapasok yung ano. Kasi hindi kasi anti-fog yung tent na binili ko. Ang ganda ng buwan. Yung buwan mga inday, alas 5 pa po ng umaga. morning mga Inday. Good morning world. And so far last night, first night natin dito. Hindi ako masyadong nakatulog kasi nag-observe ako sa paligid. And time to time, I woke up. But it's okay, it's safe. So I still have one more night to stay here. So magko-coffee ako mga Inday kasi ang lamig dito. Nagising ako sa lamig. Kaya pagising ko, nag-jacket agad ako at saka nag-bonnet. Ang aga nila mga Inday pupunta ng baon. Nagtatrabaho yan sila. Kape muna tayo mga Inday. Hello mga Inday. So may araw na po. Tingnan nyo yung paligid, napakaganda. At andito na po yung cousin ko. My cousin is here and we are going to cook for breakfast. Let's go. Kaz? Hi ga, how are you?
Hello.
Andito kami sa sasakyan mga Inday nag-prepare ng breakfast. At dito kami sa gilid luluto. Ang ulam namin ngayong umaga, hala may buyog paga. Ang ulam namin ngayong umaga mga Inday. Hala, dalawa na. Ito po yung ulamin namin ngayong umaga, breakfast. Lalagyan namin ng itlog. So, tingnan natin mga Inday. Yung mga bubuyog nagalit sila kasi kinuha namin yung bahay nila at saka pagkain nila. Lulutuin din namin yung bubuyog. Tara. Bubuyog mga Inday. Ayaw umalis. Nagalit yun siya ga. Inday, luto na po ito. So pag may marami po kayong dahon na bulaklak ng kalabasa na lalaki, pwede niyo pong gawin na ganito mga Inday para po siya hindi masayang. Tingnan. Tuwa na, mga Inday. Yung tent ko, naano na lang hangin. Kain tayo mga Inday.
On my second night, my cousin and her husband visited me to have dinner and watching movie together. And they're checking on me if I'm okay. So thank you so much, cousin, for checking on me. On the second night, it's just only 8 o'clock in the evening, but I feel already cold, so I wear my jacket again and my hat to cover my head, and I decided to sleep on the van. And I don't want to sleep in the tent because, as I've experienced the first night, that the fog was able to go inside of the tent and it could make me wet. So this time I'm going to prepare the van to sleep for the night, and it's gonna be my last night staying on this place. I want to answer some of the comments that commented in my past video that I uploaded. This is from Stephanie Scott. She said, I am the only one that noticed that she never met his family. Or did I miss that part? So Miss Stephanie, you did not miss that part. Eric's family, I met him not for real, but I met him through Messenger of having a video call. I met his dad before his dad passed away, and I also met her brother and her stepsister. And I want to answer the other comment that commented on that past video that it says, by his look, he seems like he is already married. Okay, so Eric and I, we have 38 years of age gap, and he's not married in US. And he don't have even a child, or he don't have a wife in the US. I am talking to his best friend and his brother and his dad before. So he let me met his family through online only. This is my second night here in the mountain. And this night, my cousin and her husband is they're sleeping here. So hindi na ako natutulog sa tent kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. And yung cousin ko is andito na rin sila mga Inday. So I feel more safer kasi kagabi hindi ako masyadong nakatulog. So I prefer to sleep here inside of the van kasi kagabi hindi siya masyadong malamig kagabi compared now. Ang lamig-lamig talaga ngayong gabi mga Inday. As nakikita yung bintana ko is nagpa-fog na rin pati sa loob mga Inday. So tomorrow I will be back home na mga Inday kasi baka nag-alala na sila sa akin kasi simulan dumating ako dito wala talaga silang contact sa akin. At ayun, nakapagpahinga naman ako dito ng 2 days and 2 nights. So matutulog na tayo mga Inday, and see you tomorrow. Morning. Today is the last day staying here in the mountain. Uwi na tayo mga Inday at back to reality of life na tayo. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning, pero maaga na dito. May ano na, hayag na mga Inday. So far so good yung tulog ko dito sa loob ng sasakyan at hindi masyadong malamig pero still I'm wearing jacket. Tingnan niyo sa labas mga Inday, oh. Look at the front of my car. Ayan, ang fog. Sobrang lamig sa labas. I close all the window mga Inday. Yung tent ko dyan, nababasa na yan. Magkape tayo mga inday.
Halos hindi na makita doon na side mga inday, oh.